in response to the devastating earthquake that struck several communities in Mindanao. The Maharlika Barracuda Eagles Club immediately organized a humanitarian relief mission to extend assistance to families severely affected by the disaster. The activity aimed to provide immediate relief through the distribution of food packs while demonstrating the club's commitment to humanitarian service and the eagleism principle of service through strong brotherhood. Areas served and beneficiaries. June 13th, 2026. Barangay Bato Laki, Glan, Sarangani, 200 families beneficiaries. Barangay Burias, Glan, Sarangani, 100 families beneficiaries. Barangay Margos, Glan, Sarangani, 100 families beneficiaries. Sitio Puting Bato, Barangay Lunmasla, Malapatan, Sarangani, 200 families beneficiaries. June 19th, 2026. Barangay Sugal, Jose Abad Santos, Davao Occidental, 200 families beneficiaries. Overall accomplishment, total relief packs distributed, 800. Total families assisted, 800 families. Municipalities covered, Glan, Malapatan, and Jose Abad Santos. Provinces served, Sarangani and Davao Occidental. Activity highlights. Despite challenging road conditions and the large number of affected residents, the relief operations were carried out successfully through the cooperation of club members, volunteers, partner organizations. The distribution was conducted in an orderly and systematic manner to ensure that relief goods reached the intended beneficiaries. The activity brought hope and immediate assistance to hundreds of families who were recovering from the effects of the earthquake. The overwhelming gratitude expressed by the beneficiaries served as a testament to the importance of unity, compassion, and volunteerism during times of crisis. The earthquake relief operations of the Maharlika Barracuda Eagles Club successfully reached 800 earthquake-affected families in the provinces of Sarangani and Davao Occidental. This humanitarian mission reflects the club's unwavering dedication to community, service, and disaster response. The Maharlika Barracuda Eagles Club extends its sincere appreciation to all members, sponsors, volunteers, partner agencies, whose generosity, cooperation, and commitment made this mission possible.
Began to feel the fire.
Together, we demonstrated the true essence of eagleism by serving those most in need. Service through strong brotherhood.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in